trip was it yesterday?
About 8 hours.
Yeah.
8 hours?
Yeah, we woke up.
That's how long it took
Then-
for me and abuela to just get to jump and jump.
What are we doing today?
Boating again.
And also...
Trying to sail.
Oh yeah, it's a beautiful day today. I think after some coffee, we'll get up, go sailing, we'll hit the Atlantic. I'm gonna pan over so you guys see where we're gonna go. We are gonna go straight through that bridge. Yep. Straight through that bridge we're gonna go.
Wait, broken part?
And we are going to go through the Atlantic waters and explore a little bit. I'll let you know about it. Good morning, Nicole.
Good morning.
I'll show you guys something cool.
Where in the morning we found a manatee next to our Friki Tiki boat.
Some exploring over at Looe Key. So most of you guys don't know her because she's been gone for a few months. So we haven't included her in our sailing adventures because she's been doing her own thing. So you've seen her in the intros, know her as the Tiki tribe's abuela. So the abuela of the ship is Crissy.
Hola, soy yo la abuela de Friki Tiki. Do the Friki Tiki, do the Friki Tiki. Woohoo, woohoo, woohoo.
Mommy and Dad.
You filled up your life with my life.
Mommy and Dad.
You filled up your life with I filled up my life.
Alright, so what I'm doing now is I'm actually teaching Nicole how to steer the boat, how to manage the helm, manage the sails, understand the boat, in that if I go overboard or that, you know, she can manage to come rescue me or stop the sails. Right now, I just think it's really important that, you know, every member of the Friki tribe understands, at least my inner tribe, understands how to steer and navigate and how to, you know, control the boat. You have to be able to tame the tiki, so to speak, in order to drive the tiki. What?
Hello.
Loosen what? Loosen the rope.
They're right in front of us.
Whoa! Yo! How cool is that, guys?
I want to touch one.
They're slimy.
I don't care. I want to touch one.
Look, they're coming towards us.
That's awesome. The whole pond.
They're flying, like literally right in front of Bella.
Look, they're right here.
There you go.
Whoa!
Awesome. We're having an awesome.
I want to touch one.
Ooh, wait.
Wait.
You filled up your life with me. I filled up my life with you. You filled up your life with me. I filled up my life. You filled up your life with me.
If anybody's wondering how we do it, it's not easy at all.
Where's the pen?
You have the kids in the back underneath. Mom right here. And the table that folds down. And then me and Nicole. I'll show you in a minute.
Relax about the bag.
Me and Nicole here to the earth. Anyway.
How did you have this up last night, hon?
It gets really cramped. I had it on with the hook and a clamp. And a carabiner. Anyway. We had a good sail today. Went all the way down to Looe Key. Had a good swim. Went snorkeling for a little bit. Saw some dolphins.
No, he didn't.
Getting late. So here we are. It's Saturday. And it's bedtime.
In conclusion, this boat's not really meant for 5 people, in my opinion. And we have way too much in here, like always.
It's 11 o'clock at night. And I've been up since 6. Just shooting, and I was out with the kids. So we were shooting some footage for you guys, time lapse and whatnot, and then we decided to go to Looe Key. Saw some dolphins on the way. That was probably the highlight of the day.
And they were also very close to us.
They were also very close to us.
And so cute.
And so cute. I'm paraphrasing my daughter.
Mommy is right.
My life with you. You filled up your life with me. I filled up my life with you. You filled up your life with me.
Upside down it goes.